Globe Amaranth, also known as Gomphrena Globosa. This is what dry Globe Amaranth flower look like. I sow Globe Amaranth seeds by broadcasting them evenly across the soil surface. After sowing, I give a very light sprinkle of water to the growing media. Please keep soil moist until Globe Amaranth seeds germinate. Globe Amaranth seeds start to germinate. This is what Globe Amaranth cotyledon look like. For me, optimal temperature for Globe Amaranth germination are 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. For me, Globe Amaranth seed usually germinate between day 4 to day 7. When growing Globe Amaranth from seed, it is common to have some seeds fail to germinate. For me, Globe Amaranth success germination rate depend on seed age, seeds quality, humidity, and temperature. For me, on average Globe Amaranth seed viability are about 1 year. Globe Amaranth true leaf start to emerge. Globe Amaranth seed viability is greatly affected by its quality at the time of collection, its treatment between collection, storage, and the conditions in which it is stored. For me, optimal temperature range for growing Globe Amaranth is about 25 to 32 degrees Celsius. My minimum temperature when growing Globe Amaranth is 22 degrees Celsius. My maximum temperature when growing Globe Amaranth is 32 degrees Celsius. My average humidity when growing Globe Amaranth are about 88%. Globe Amaranth is an edible plant from the family Amaranthaceae. Globe Amaranth is native to Guatemala, Panama, Brazil, and India. Globe Amaranth preferred to grow in tropical climate. Globe Amaranth is propagated by seeds. Soil I use for growing Globe Amaranth contain cocoa peat, red burn soil, micro, fine sand, old humus, and charcoal. Globe Amaranth can be grown in almost any type of soil. You can use whatever growing media available to your convenience. As long as you use well-drained soil to grow Globe Amaranth, you will be fine. Globe Amaranth prefer to grow in 6.1 to 6.5 pH soil, slightly acidic to neutral. My soil pH when I try to grow Globe Amaranth are about 7 pH. Once they are established, Globe Amaranth can handle drought very well. But Globe Amaranth prefer being watered periodically during very hot, dry weather. Globe Amaranth need at least 8 hours of sun to thrive. Globe Amaranth prefer to grow in full sun conditions. If you growing Globe Amaranth in partial shade location, your plant may not flower profusely compared to full sun growing Globe Amaranth. In my climate, I grow my Globe Amaranth in full sun location. Container size I use for growing Globe Amaranth, height 45 centimeters, width 40 centimeters. You also can grow Globe Amaranth in bigger container than mine. The bigger the container, the bigger root system will develop and will resulting bigger plant. Globe Amaranth can grows from 25 to 60 centimeters tall. When growing Globe Amaranth, please make sure your container have good drainage. Waterlogged container will promote root rot. For me, the advantage for growing in container is gives me more control over sunlight, moisture, and temperature. If grow Globe Amaranth in the garden, space plants around 30 centimeters, 12 inches apart. Some Globe Amaranth landscape uses are small gardens, parks and gardens, flower bed, border, and container planting. Grasshopper damage on my Globe Amaranth leaf. When growing my Globe Amaranth, I use liquid fertilizer. I use fertilizer on my Globe Amaranth every 4 weeks. You can use whatever fertilizer available to your convenience. Globe Amaranth flower buds start to emerge. Please read and follow the instructions carefully before starting using any fertilizers. For this growing season, on average, my water usage are about 1,000 milliliters. In my climate, I water my Globe Amaranth only when the soil is a little bit dry. Water usage depends on container size, container type, weather, and climate you live in. Your water usage may be different than me. Overwatering will promote root rot. Always water Globe Amaranth at the root zone and never overhead water your plant. Also, if you can, please avoid watering Globe Amaranth in the evening. Globe Amaranth water preference are moderate watering. Globe Amaranth flower are bisexual flowers. Bisexual flowers contain both male and female reproductive organs in the same flower. On the other hand, unisexual flowers contain male and female reproductive organs in separate flowers. There are many different cultivars of Globe Amaranth. Some colors available for Globe Amaranth are red, brown, yellow, pink, purple, orange, lilac, and white. Globe Amaranth flower head type are capitulum. A head capitulum type is a short, dense spike in which the flowers are borne directly on a broad, flat peduncle, giving the inflorescence the appearance of a single flower. Individual flower shape for Globe Amaranth are tubular, stellate, and star-shaped. Globe Amaranth are butterfly food plant. To name a few butterfly species may visiting you: cabbage white, Ocola skipper, gray hair streak, American lady, common buckeye, leaf skipper, and fiery skipper. Globe Amaranth typically free to pests and disease problems. However, some pests you may encounter when growing Globe Amaranth are aphids and thrips. As for disease you may encounter when growing Globe Amaranth are alternaria leaf spot, botrytis blight, damping off, powdery mildew, and downy mildew. When I try to grow Globe Amaranth, I encounter downy mildew in my plant. This is due to growing in crowded and very humid conditions. To resolve this problem, I try to improve air circulation by giving my plant plenty of sun exposure, especially in the morning. If growing in the garden bed, improving soil moisture and spacing the plants further may resolve the downy mildew issue. When growing Globe Amaranth, I didn't encounter any serious pest problem. Globe Amaranth can be used as cut flowers. Globe Amaranth flowers symbolize unfading love and respect. To harvest Globe Amaranth seeds, wait until the flower heads are dry and tan in color. Globe Amaranth common names include Makmali, Vedamali, Thousand-Day Red, Sinichi Home, Bachelor's Button, and Globe Flower. Globe Amaranth are easy to grow, low to maintenance, and anyone who loves flowers should try to grow them. Thank you for watching.